In this video, I'm gonna be showing you guys how you can withdraw money from Fiverr. This is a new update. All you have to do, guys, is you need to switch to selling account. That's the first thing you need to do, guys. You wanna click your profile in the top right, and if it says here switch to selling, you wanna click on that. But if it says switch to buying, just like me, don't touch anything. You just need to click on where it says billing and payments, as you can see, the first option. Then you want to click on available balances. Okay, available balances, and here you will find your balance, your earnings, your cancelled orders. And what you need to do, guys, you want to click on your earning page. You want to click here. After that, guys, it will show you guys all the money that you have withdrawn. As you can see, I have withdrawn $20, and here you will find payments being cleared and earnings to date, expenses to date, balance available for use. This is what you need to focus on, which is balance available to use for use. Now, this balance that you can withdraw right now, if you have the balance here, you can withdraw it. Now, you just need to click on manage payout methods, and here you will find a few different options, which is PayPal account and bank transfer. You can either transfer this money to your PayPal account, or you can transfer it to bank account. Now it's one of your choice. If it's PayPal, click on it, and you just need to confirm that. You will ask you guys to confirm. Just need to confirm. That's it, and then you can start withdrawing the money. If it's Pioneer, you just need to click here, but currently I don't have a available balance right now, so I'm not able to click any of these. But for you, you can click it. So hopefully this video, guys, helped you. If it does, leave a like, subscribe, let me know in the comments if this works. See you guys next video.